some videos and get rid of some stuff on the phone. I only got 23 minutes left of recording. Really can't see those, can you? The sun being in my eyes. Had the sunglasses on earlier. I was trying to watch NBA, the Bushcrafters. Sad Song Sunday. Well, there's that guy losing some more of his tire. There's a pink one, a pink QP. That had to be a special one. Wow, we got one on the tail, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the lead, and one. He was standing outside. He must be waiting on a train to come by to do a little checking. All right, later. I know you're not going to see nothing because the sun is in my eyes again, but hey, there's a container train. Oh wait, let me rephrase that. There is a metal boxcar train. Love you, Sparky. Look, they even got refrigerated boxcars. See, right there, that Tiger Cool Express, which you can't see because it's not focusing. Oh, look, there's metal, or actually those are, yeah, metal boxcars with wheels. Scared him. I'm being a wazoo today. Oh, let's spin that out. See that? Freaking tall. And the locomotives are behind the elevators. I can't see them. Behind the silos. Oh no, they broke. Or oh, there they are. 3 of them. Yeah, I know, UP, I can't do nothing about it, Tony. So, this is what I got for another 4 hours. 4-hour drive, maybe only 3.5. Don't know if I want to be out in the middle of nowhere in New Mexico or if stop at Santa Rosa and, I don't know, I have to figure it out later. Probably been about a month since I've been through this way. See if they've gotten anything different done. They should have. Oh, there we go. Looks like the south or the east pier is getting there. The mid support. That one's looking like it's getting done. Looks like they're going to get ready to start crossing over. But they still haven't paved nothing. And that sign is out in the middle of the roadway and needs to be pushed off the roadway. And then I got a stupid camper that pulled out in front of me. Oh, so check this, what I got to deal with now. Other than the camper ahead of me, it's starting to sprinkle, or rain actually, because there is major lightning storms going off right now. And actually this looked a lot worse when I first came up on it. About 10 miles back. Oh. I had to listen to that 4 times last night. I think I heard it come through. Heck of a grade here too, because they're just chugging away. But I think Corona's the top of the hill, or for one of the hills. Oh, hey, that's actually mixed freight. Look, boxcars. Oh my God, there's boxcars. Metal boxcars on wheels. Wow. The metal boxes on wheels. Steel coil, tankers, covered hoppers. Center beam flat with lumber. I got like 10 minutes to get ready. 9 minutes to get ready. Well, I'm not going to be able to record all of it. So, I need to get ready later. This line runs all the way down to El Paso. And I suppose if it doesn't stop in El Paso, it keeps on going to, well, either goes to Mexico or goes west to LA. Which is where I'm going. Well, actually not LA, but Wilcox, if I ever get out of here. This was a long one. Heard that coming up over the hill back yonder. I could just, you could hear the rumble. I actually was I was on the other side of the trailer. I was actually to walk back around the back of the trailer, put the bar away, open the door, put my gloves away, and get on my phone and start recording before the train hit right here, right when I was, So, yep.